this Museveni Muhoozi law. Passing it would be betrayal of the very oath that each MP took. The oath was to uphold and defend the Constitution. One by one, each MP took an oath. Maybe they don't even remember. NRM brought all sorts of people in Parliament, including those who have to constantly be reminded that you are in Parliament, yet they are MPs. You all individually took an oath that you will not only defend but uphold the Constitution. Because we don't know in whose hands we will be tomorrow when this NRM finally has collapsed, and it will. You may wake up one day and you are in the hands of a party that is not prepared. So that's why the framers of the law say we must put aside a fund to build and prepare political parties. Now, the Museveni junta says, no, these parties are receiving money. Now we must put a condition. You can only receive money if you are cooperating with us. That's why they are changing the law. If you are not cooperating with them, even the public funding they want to stop. So you will again, as I issue the call in relation to the Updf Act, please turn up in big numbers at Parliament.
First of all, I want to advise my colleagues, the NRM members of Parliament, that they should not participate in passing this bill. First of all, members of Parliament of NRM themselves have uniform. They have the Updf uniform, which we are given from Chankwas. Now, majority of them are civilians. I don't know where are they going to pass this bill, and then tomorrow they are wearing this uniform. I remember all of them. Even there is one member of Parliament from the northern Uganda. She had one time even put on this uniform. So all these laws they are being forced to make, they are going to affect them.